Most home security systems feel safe until the power goes out. But what if yours kept running?
Power supply lost. Switching to backup battery.
This is the Eufy ExpertSecure System E10, which come in a bundle with the home base, keypad, Eufy Solo Cam, Eufy Video Doorbell, Indoor Cam E20, entry sensors, motion sensors, key fobs, yard signs, and window stickers. Everything you need to start securing your house is inside this bundle. Any other items you see in this video are add-ons that you could purchase separately. One of the main reasons that this system is really attractive is that you're still gonna be online even when the Wi-Fi or power are gone. And when a threat is detected and a signal is triggered by a sensor, a video is then sent to Eufy's Expert Monitoring Center for verification purposes. And if there's an actual emergency, they could get the authorities to your house right away. And even if it's a false alarm, they still call to check on you. I even tested it. I triggered the front door, pretended I was breaking into my house. I got a notification right away saying the alarm is about to go off because the front door was triggered. And when it did go off, within 90 seconds, Eufy Expert Monitoring Center was calling me.
Hello, Eufy. Oh no, this is not an emergency. I'm testing the system. But thank you for calling so fast though. That was really fast. I feel secure. Thank you. Setup was almost too easy. Everything came pre-configured, ready. I just added the home base to the app, powered on each of the sensors, powered on the cameras, and it worked right out of the box. I had to make sure everything was charged, no mess. I barely had to drill anything, and I was done in like under 30 minutes. Every corner in the house is covered, front to back, inside, anywhere. If someone opens the door, I see it instantly. I get a notification. If smokes is detected while cooking, I get an immediate alert. And here's what makes it different. 24/7 live support, monitoring. No guesswork, no costly false alarms. And even if the Wi-Fi goes down, a 4G backup keeps the system online. And with 24-hour battery backup, even cutting the power won't stop this system from working. Cameras are weatherproof, solar powered, and stay tuning to what's going on in the environment. The app ties it all together. Daily reports, detailed alerts, and full remote control from anywhere. I arm it at night, and in the morning, I'm still making coffee. I'm checking every room remotely on my phone.
And let's say I left my phone in the room, that's no problem because I could hop on the smart display and do the same thing. It's very fluid. The interface is just like my phone.
Unlike other systems that push you into the cloud, all of the footage stays local. 32 gigabytes built-in, expandable up to 16 terabytes, no hidden fees, and total control over your data. Every device plays its role. Together they create one ecosystem, one app, one security net. The Homebase Pro powers everything. The keypad arms and disarms at the door. Entry sensors protects doors and windows. Motion sensors watch the hall and ignore pets. Flood and freeze sensors catch leaks before damage happens. Smoke alarm alerts instantly.
Indoor siren
Flashes and sounds loud. Solo Cam S340 charges on solar power. Indoor Cam tracks everything automatically. And the Video Doorbell C30 captures every package drop off. So instead of juggling cameras, alarms, contracts, ExpertSecure gives you 24/7 protection, verified humans, and it even works after a blackout. One system, always on. It's not just a security system, it's a peace of mind. The Eufy ExpertSecure System, available now. I'm gonna leave the link in the description below. Go ahead and hop on there and grab your security system from Eufy. They're doing a great job.